guys, I am currently on my way over to Buyers Imports to check out a Jaguar F-Type SVR. Absolutely insane. It's finished in all black. It's the craziest car you will ever see. And hopefully I can get some action with a Porsche GT3 RS with a Martini livery. Got some crazy cars over there right now, and I'm gonna go check them out. Get you guys some great footage of them. Hope you like this video. Alright guys, I just got here to Buyers Imports to check out this Jaguar SVR, and I'm currently looking at it. It's absolutely insane. Alright guys, I'm currently sitting in the Jaguar F-Type SVR. This thing is absolutely just incredible. Just quilted leather everywhere, Alcantara on the dash, carbon fiber. Like, it's so simple, but just like there's not a lot of buttons, and that just makes it's insane. Like, this thing is beyond cool. Craziest car I've sat in. Just savor this moment right here. Just check out all this just incredible silver paddle shifters. Oh my gosh. I like these ones better than the normal ones, which are gold. Seats. How does that open up? I don't know. Parking brake right there. This car is just crazy. Passenger SVR right there. Oh my god. I don't want to get out of this thing. It's ridiculous. I had the key for the glove box. It's a button. Oh, look at that. Crazy. That's the only thing right there that doesn't have leather on it. It's like that BMW type stuff. But everything else is just carbon fiber, Alcantara. Just crazy.
And so I had our technician actually reach out to Jaguar, and they said no, it's supposed to be like that. We have to wait. So
what options does it have? Wow, $12,000 carbon ceramic brakes.
yeah, but they're awesome. The yellow calipers look so good with this car.
You do. Everything looks. Good. This car is absolutely incredible. Alcantara times leather. The new car smell on this thing is ridiculous. fiber in here. I would actually pay a lot more for what this car actually costs. This thing is absolutely incredible. Carbon fiber everywhere. Special vehicle operations badge right there. Carbon fiber inserts. These rims are crazy. Huge carbon fiber rim. Alright guys, that was absolutely insane. I cannot believe they let me sit in it and start it up. That is by far the best car experience I have ever had. The people at Buyers Imports are so nice. Like, I would definitely purchase my first like fast car from them. Oh my gosh, that was incredible experience. So if you like this video, please subscribe and drop a like. That really helps out. I'll catch you next time.